Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I will say sorry because I don't know I can find my recorded lesson. So that's why I just created a recap video. Okay, I will discuss everything that I had discussed on our fourth lesson. Okay, so yeah. So the first thing is first thing. Let's create new artboard. As you can see here, this is our new artboard. This is too small. Let's make it like bigger one. Let's take this one, exercise. Okay. And on our previous lesson, we have completed spot healing tool, patch tool, content aware. On today's class, we'll see about the brush tool. So brush tool is an important thing, especially for design purpose. You may use brush uh, on your design. So if I type, I'm now in Google. If I type poster and brush, you will see, as you can see here, each and every poster, it looks attractive. Okay, as you can see here, it looks nice. This also looks nice. This also looks nice. So this is the thing. This is the prop. This is a brush. Okay, this is a brush. So if you have idea about brush tool, you may also create attractive design on Photoshop. So let's see how we can use brush tool. So the first thing is first of all, you have to, as you can see here, I am now in layer panel. If you watch my third lesson, you will understand about this thing because I have discussed layer on my third lesson. So first of all, I always recommend you to create a new layer whenever you work on brush tool. Okay. Then as you can see, this is my brush tool. And if you go here, you will see the size. You may increase and decrease size from here. And my foreground color, as you can see here, my foreground color is green, and my background color is white. So if you draw any brush, it will always take the foreground color. Okay, if you double click on it, a pop-up will be open. Then let's say it's into pink color. Okay, pink. Then if I draw some animal, this is my brush. This is my brush. Okay. Then let's see. As you can see, this is hardness. So hardness is one kind of opacity of your brush. So first of all, let's make zero hardness. Okay. This is my brush in zero hardness. Then let's make it like 39. As you can see here. Let's make this 65 and let's make 100%. Yeah. So you can see the difference, guys. As you can see, that was 0%, 39, then 60, then 100% hardness. So hardness is one kind of opacity. Okay, one kind of opacity of your brush. Okay, I hope you understand. So let's make it like 38, as you can see here. Okay, this is the thing. This is called hardness. Okay. Then in on Photoshop, according to your according to your version, you will see lots of preset, ready-made preset or ready-made brush, as you can see here. We can do this brush. This is the brush. This is another style bar. This is another spray. And as you can, let's make it bigger, bigger and bigger, as you can see here. As you can see here, this is a nice design. Then maybe in the middle point you may add your photo, so it will look another poster design. Okay, so there are lots of lots type of brush available according to your Photoshop version. Okay, you may also download, as you can see here, you may also download a brush from, I think, import brush from Google. So in that case, what you can do, you just type Google Photoshop brush. So there's a website. It's called, I think, Photoshop brush. Okay, so this one, brush is Z. This is a nice website. In that website, you will get lots type of, as you can see, smoking type, smoke type, smoke type brush, watercolor brush. So there are lots of smoke type and fog, and lots types of brush. Okay, and the pencil thing is, it's one kind of pencil, as you can see here. You may draw. Let me delete this one. Then let's make it as you can see here. If you want to draw like a pencil, so you can draw something like that. Okay. This is pencil means it's a pencil tool. So if you want to draw something like a pencil, okay. Pencil means as usual we are using. So this is a tree, this is a house, okay. This is a house, this is a thing, right? So actually this is a bar, this is earth, this is cloud. So let's type food, okay. As you can see here. So this is a pencil means if you want to draw like something, if you want to draw in your own way, so you may use a pencil tool. Color mixer don't color replace, we just replace the color. You may play around with it. This is not important. Color mixer we just mix the color, okay. Let's see the next one. So clone stem tool. Clone stem tool if you want to clone something, let's say let's try to open image file, then open, download. Okay, just hold on. Okay, then let's open image. Click here, then drop image. Okay, yeah, it's open this one. Okay, so as you can see here for this image, let's duplicate this layer, okay, to see the difference. And as you can see here, so first of all you have to click your you have to target your pointer, like you have to target the place where you want to make a duplication, okay. So as you can see here, let's say there is a hill. If you can see here, this is the hill, okay. There is also the green area, green part. So let's say I want to duplicate this part again. So you have to press Alt to collect the sample. As you can see here, I have collected the sample, and let's see. As you can see here, so this is another duplication, okay. Part. Okay, so this is a thing. If you want to clone something else, so you can do. Let's say there is let's download an image from my Slash. Let's make it stop. Okay. Okay, let's download this one. Drag and drop into Photoshop. So as you can see here, there are two dogs. Let's say I want to make a duplication of this dog. So in that case, you just need to make it bigger. You make it from here. Okay. Then you have to press Alt to collect the sample. Then you can draw. As you can see here, you can draw. Okay. So if you see as you can see here, if you see the plus area, this the focus on this part. So it will always clone this part. Okay. This is the thing. I hope you understand, guys. And the pattern stem tool means it will add pattern. As you can see here, if you have Photoshop version 2022, they will give you some pattern. As you can see here, brush, water. So you can add, as you can see here, something like that. The pattern means like pattern, water type pattern. As you can see here, you can use pattern. Okay. I hope you understand, guys. Okay, let's see the next one. History buster, no need. We don't need this one. Okay, eraser tool. So Yeah, let's open an image. So let's say I want to erase this one, this background image, this image background. In that case, you may use eraser. Let's change this brush. You may change the brush. Then you may just, as you can see here, you can erase the background. This background means this box background means this is a transparent background. Okay, there is nothing else. As you can see here, eraser means you can erase. As you can see here, if you have any image, and if you want to erase the specific part, erase any specific part, you can erase. You can use eraser tool. Okay, this is the thing. I hope you understand. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's go for okay. Background eraser tool. So it helps you to erase only background. So as you can see here, if I as you can see here, if I click this portion, so if you see my brush, so my brush circle was something like that. So my brush also covered this part, this portion, but it doesn't delete this portion. It deletes this background portion. So background eraser means it will automatically, it will automatically detect the background and delete the background. As you can see here, it won't affect my hair. Okay, as you can see here, my image hair. Okay, if I do the same thing on that part, it's just deleted the background area. Okay, it won't affect my image. Okay, it won't affect my image. So this is the thing. Background eraser means it's just delete your background. It will automatically detect your background, then it will automatically delete your background as well. First of all, detect the background, then it will delete it. The magic eraser means it will delete one color area. Let's say, as you can see here, this is a white color, white background color. So if I one click here, it will delete it. So if I one click here, it will also delete this one. Okay. If I one click here, it will delete. So the background eraser means it just deleted the similar color area. If I click this color, it will delete. If I click her hair, it will delete her hair part. Okay. So it will just delete the part. I understand. This is a simple thing, guys. Okay. So yeah. So let's see the next thing, which is most important thing, which is text tool. Okay. So text tool means if you want to write something else, as you can see here, if you go for any poster design, let's go for any poster design. Okay, poster design. The most important thing is text for anything. As you can see, it's text. Each and everywhere is text. You need text. Okay, you need text. As you can see here. So text tool will help you to character will help you to write the text. As you can see here, if you click here like Arif from so yeah, if you want to change the color, so you can change like this. Then yeah, if you want to change the font, so you have to, as you can see, there are lots of fonts because I have installed fonts on my computer. That's why it depends on your computer. So if you want to install the font, it's an easy process. Just go to Google and type Google font. Then you can download the zip file and install on your computer as well. Okay, I hope you got it. Then you can change the font. You can change the font family if it's available. So let's go for most popular, which is Poppins. Then you can change medium, bold, whatever, italic. Then you can change the cap. Okay, you can make it uppercase as you can see here. You can make it capitalized. Okay, as you can see, something like that. You may play around so you will understand. And you can increase the width. You can make it like spacer between space. You can see here. So it's up to you. Okay, you may play around so that you could understand. Okay, if you want to draw a paragraph, so you just need to draw something like that circle. Then you can change it to something like this. Then black color. Then line height, as you can see here, you can control line height. So you can control this one. Okay, make it italic, make all uppercase. It's up to you, as you can see here. Okay, and vertical means if you want to write something vertical like Arif, okay, it will write down something like this. Arif. Okay, then if you want to make a layer mask, so let me show you the thing. So let me open an image. Open. So let's open her image. So let's say you want to type your name on her face. So in that case, you may write Arif, A-R-I-F, Arif. Then you may make it, as you can see here. Then first of all, let's type Arif. So not this one. Let's download this image. Okay. Let me make it. Drag and drop. Okay. Let's say there. Okay. Let's say you want to write down your name on that list. Okay. So in that case, let's write down like city, creative thinker, creative thinker. Okay. Then you may increase a little bit. Okay. Like this. Then you may make it as a layer mask, as you can see here. It's now like this. As you can see, creative thinker. Okay. Or you may just delete this portion. Rest right there. Control D, as you can see here. As you can see here, creative thinker on my list. So this is called layer masking. Like they will just select a specific part. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. That's it from the last class, which is fourth lesson. So I will upload this video on my YouTube channel, and I will also attach assignment on our Google Classroom. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.